Today we're checking out a tool that could be a game changer for content creators, video editors, and anyone making short-form content, RenderCut. If you're tired of manually adding subtitles to your videos, this tool promises to do it for you instantly while letting you customize every detail. We all know that captions are critical for engagement, whether you're posting on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. But here's the problem. Manually adding subtitles is a pain. It's time-consuming, tedious, and honestly, no one wants to spend hours tweaking text when they could be focusing on making great content. That's where RenderCut steps in. This tool automatically generates subtitles with high accuracy, lets you fully customize their look, and even supports multiple languages, so your content can reach a global audience. But is RenderCut really worth it? How accurate is it? And does it actually save you time, or will you end up fixing errors anyway? I got my hands on the tool to find out, and in this review, we're going to break down everything you need to know before you buy. Now, before we get into the hands-on demo, let's talk about pricing. One of the biggest questions with any software is, what's it going to cost me? RenderCut offers a free plan that lets you try it out with up to 5 video uploads, no credit card required. That's a solid way to see if the tool fits your needs before committing to a paid plan. If you're ready to go beyond the free plan, here's what RenderCut offers. Starter plan, $15 per month, great for beginners, 25 video uploads per month, process up to 3 minutes per video, 500 megabytes max upload per video, unlimited projects, add still and animated emojis, auto-generated transcripts in 40+ languages, no watermark. Growth plan, $49 per month, best for businesses and creators scaling up, 75 video uploads per month, process up to 7 minutes per video, 700 megabytes max upload per video. Everything from the starter plan. Unlimited plan, $129 per month, for serious creators and teams. Unlimited video uploads. Process up to 9 minutes per video, 1 gigabyte max upload per video. Everything from the growth plan annual plans. If you pay yearly, you get 2 months free, which is a nice discount if you're in it for the long haul. RenderCut is built for content creators, marketers, and video editors who want fast, accurate subtitles without the hassle of manually adding them. Here's what it brings to the table. Automatic subtitles with high accuracy. RenderCut's AI accurately transcribes speech in 40+ languages, making it one of the best subtitle generators out there. Whether your video is in English, Spanish, or even Swahili, the tool keeps up. Full customization. Unlike other tools that limit your options, RenderCut allows you to adjust fonts, sizes, colors, and backgrounds. Whether you want bold, stylish, or sleek captions, you have complete creative control. Smart animations. You can add animated and still emojis to make your subtitles more engaging and stand out from the usual static captions. Web-based and cross-platform compatibility. No need to install bulky software. RenderCut works directly from your web browser, making it accessible from both Mac and PC. Multiple plans for different needs, from casual creators, starter plan, to growing businesses, growth plan, and serious professionals, unlimited plan. RenderCut scales with your needs. One of RenderCut's biggest strengths is its clean and intuitive interface. Right from the moment you log in, everything feels well organized and easy to navigate. Adding videos is straightforward and the auto-captioning process is fast and efficient. Customization options are easy to use, allowing you to tweak captions to match your branding. No steep learning curve, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. The only downside is the limited selection of templates. While you can customize your captions freely, it would be great to see more built-in style presets for those who want quick, professional-looking captions without manually adjusting settings. RenderCut delivers on its promise of fast, accurate subtitles. Here's what I found during testing. Speed. The AI processes captions quickly, even for longer videos, making it a real time saver. Accuracy. Subtitles are as accurate as advertised, even with different accents and languages. Of course, there may be occasional minor errors, especially with complex vocabulary or background noise, but overall, it performs exceptionally well. Customization. You can fine-tune subtitles to your liking, ensuring they look exactly how you want them to appear in your videos. RenderCut is a solid choice for content creators looking for a fast, reliable, and customizable subtitle generator. The tool's high accuracy, smooth user experience, and full customization options make it stand out in the market. While it could benefit from more built-in templates and additional video editing features, it excels at what it promises to do, creating stylish, accurate subtitles quickly. Final rating, 4.5 out of 5. With its intuitive interface and powerful AI-driven transcription, RenderCut is a must-have for anyone serious about video content. If you're tired of manually adding subtitles and want a tool that saves time while enhancing engagement, this is definitely worth considering. What do you think? Will you be checking out RenderCut? Let me know in the comments below.